Today I'm going to be demonstrating a combined gesture sensing and source separation system. Now I'm going to show you the source separation system. The idea behind this system is that if you have two speakers talking at the same time, it can separate one speaker or the other speaker. And a typical application for this would be the front end for a speech command, voice command recognition system that would control, for example, the lights or the heating in a room. The way it works is that we have a large area microphone array with 16 different microphones spread approximately over 2 meters. And then we have developed a custom beamforming algorithm to separate both voices. Now let me show you the algorithm in action.
Speakers at the same time. Talk now.
Let's see if this works.
A single electron
It is
quantum
very
dot device is
important to
an
note
ideal
that
environment
the
to
llama
demonstrate the
is a
concept of
creature
a spin-based
known for
quantum
its
bit.
beautiful,
A promising
beautiful fur.
candidate to
And
realize the quantum
additionally, it's
computer.
alluring.
Two-dimensional electron gas.
Finished. Thank you.
We've just finished running the algorithm, so let's see what were the initial recordings made by the microphone array. Here are both speakers talking simultaneously.
Let's see if this works.
A single electron quantum dot device is an ideal environment to demonstrate the concept of a spin-based quantum bit. A promising candidate to
So now we're going to separate the two simultaneous speakers that you just heard there. So what blind separation does is it no longer requires the calibration stage, but rather while both speakers are talking at the same time, it determines the time delays for beamforming. So it requires no information about the location of the microphones, no information about the location of the speakers, and no prior calibration. Here is the first speaker.
If this works, it is very important to note that the llama is a creature known for its beautiful, beautiful fur.
And here is the second separated speaker.
A single electron quantum dot device is an ideal environment to demonstrate the concept of a spin-based quantum bit. A promising candidate to...
Thank you. Let me start with the gesture sensing system. Here, let's say I have dirty hands and I'm cooking and I want to swipe through a series of images without directly touching the screen. So let's start off with asparagus. After asparagus, some vegetables. Then after the vegetables, a lobster. And after the lobster, some beef. Now I want to go back to the lobster. Now I've returned to the lobster. Okay, I'm bored of cooking, so let me go to my next activity. Swipe in a different direction. Okay, now I'm fixing my bicycle. Some tools, my bike frame, and some intricacies of dealing with the back wheel. Okay, so that's a demonstration of the gesture sensing, and the way it works is actually we have a sheet that's connected right to this flexible sheet with 4 different electrodes. So one up here, one down here, one to the left, and I just detected my gesture, and one to the right.